my name Benjamin. We go vroom vroom super fast with my brand new fly racing shorts. It's a good one, yeah, it's a very good one. I like it a lot. Dude, something's wrong with it. The throttle doesn't want you. It doesn't want you to go forward when you paint a 450 because 450 is so cool. You know, because I think I need a 650. Well, anyway, I'm gonna blow this thing up. So I'm gonna go hit the jump over there and practice my 1 footer, dude. Yeah, I'm practicing, and then I'm gonna practice how to shift down in the air because it's so hard. Nice so dark and 3D status. Oh shit. Oh no shit. Who's the bird? Shake. Pull the clutch, pull the clutch. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh shit, I dropped the clutch. I don't know how to do one thing. Okay. Yeah, and that's it for today, man. Tune in for next time. We're gonna have some new videos. We're gonna be throwing some nice, fender slides. I gotta learn how to do those. And as you do fender slap, you press the front brake when you're in. Good for it. Okay, see you next time.